503 Falling Water Court in Acworth, Georgia. Great rooms, got tall vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace, formal dining room, stone counters, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, built-in microwave, pantry. All right, let's take a look at the bedrooms. Got a linen closet there, coat closet there, brand new carpet in the bedrooms. That's the secondary bedrooms have brand new carpet. The primary suite has got hardwoods, plenty of space for a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, and a chest of drawers. Large walk-in closet, separate tub shower. Got a water closet. The fourth bed is off of the kitchen, up the stairs over the garage. Perfect space for a work-at-home office, homeschool room, or it's got a big closet. Of course, it could be a bedroom. It's got its own thermostat.